So guys, for the first method, you're going to head over to search and type in manage advanced sharing settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to expand the network that you're on. So for example, I'm going to do private network. I'm going to expand this. Make sure that you have network discovery turned on. And make sure that you have file and printer sharing also turned on. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on P on your keyboard. Now you want to find print spooler. Here it is. Double click on this. You're going to make the startup type automatic and then click on start, which will now make the service status running, and then click on OK. Now you're going to click on restart. You want to restart the print spooler service. See if that works for you. For the next method, you're going to head over to search and type in printers and scanners. Click on it. And then once you're on this, it's going to be saying, let Windows manage my default printer. You're going to turn this off. Now, you're going to click on your printer, and then click on set as default. Make sure that it says that your printer status is default. See if that works. For the last method, you're going to head over to search again, and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on other troubleshooters. Now, you want to find printer. Click on run. And then once this comes up, you're going to scroll down, and then click on yes to run the diagnostics. Wait for this to load. And now this will come up. You just want to follow through all the steps that come up here, and then hopefully this will now fix your problem.